The National Weather Service in Sedgwick County has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the entire county of Sedgwick County and surrounding areas, Kansas until 4:38 p.m. At 1:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm producing damaging winds was located along a line extending from Mount Hope, Kansas, moving westward at 62 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Sedgwick County and surrounding areas. Hazard: the following hazards are expected: 62 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated, and trained weather spotters. Impact: the following impacts are expected: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and/or power lines. People and animals outdoors will be injured. The severe thunderstorm will be near the Sedgwick County around 1:47 p.m. Locations impacted by this thunderstorm include Mount Hope, Bentley, Sedgwick, Valley Center, Andale, Colwich, Mays, Wichita, Bel Air, Park City, Kecky, Eastboro, Garden Plain, Goddard, Cheney, Viola, Clearwater, Hayesville, Derby, and Mulvane. This includes Interstate 131, Interstate 235, and Interstate 35 inches Kansas. Precautionary preparedness actions: for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Do not go outside. Repeating, do not go outside. If you or anyone is outside, get them indoors immediately. Do not pick up family members or friends from places like schools, nursing homes, or hospitals, as they will have their own emergency procedures. This concludes this broadcast of the Emergency Alert System.